Hi everybody, this video is going to look at the natural minor scale. So just like when we build our harmonic minor scale, we follow a process or 3 steps to make our natural minor. So our first step is to write the major scale. And you can see here that I've already done that for our C major scale, our D major scale, and our F major scale. Now I've made sure to follow tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, because if I don't get this step right, then my natural minor scale is going to be incorrect. So it's really important that we concentrate on that major scale, a very important first step. After I have done the first step, I'm going to write what we call scale degree numbers. And all that means is for each of the notes in my major scale, I'm going to number them from 1 to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the exact same step that we did in our harmonic minor scale. And it's the same step that we're going to take for any other kind of scale we're going to build as well. We always start with our major scale and our scale degree numbers. And of course, just like before, our third step is to apply the formula. So you'll notice that our steps are all the same. The thing that changes is our formula. So our natural minor scale formula is flat 3, flat 6, and flat 7. Now you'll notice that it's very similar to our harmonic minor scale. Our harmonic minor is flat 3, flat 6. So the only difference here is that our natural minor also has that flat 7. So again, when we're flattening something, we're talking about the action of moving it down or lowering it by 1 semitone. So I've drawn my keyboard because we always need our keyboard. Let's apply this formula to our C major scale. So flat 3, I look at my third note, it's an E. I need to take that down one step to the left, and it gives me this note here, which could be E flat or D sharp, but of course we can't change the letter name. So if we look back over here, our original note was an E, we need to keep it as an E, E something. So E flat or E sharp or E natural. And this key here is going to be an E flat. So I can simply add in a flat sign next to that note. If we do the same thing with our 6th note, which is an A, I need to lower it by 1 semitone or flatten it to this note here, which is of course our A flat or our G sharp. If I look back to my 6th note, it is an A, so it needs to be an A flat. We simply do the same thing for our 7th note. It is a B. I need to lower it by 1 semitone, which takes me to a B flat. So there is my natural minor scale. If we do the same thing for our D major scale here, I'm just going to draw another keyboard because I've got a little bit messy. And I might actually change colors too, so it's a bit clearer. So we look at our third note. We need to have a flat 3. Now my third note is an F sharp, which is this key here. If I'm going to lower that by 1 semitone or 1 step, it's going to take me to this note here, which is an F natural. So I can't just put a flat in front of this sign because then it would be F flat. So what I need to do instead is remove the sharp, which is why we should always write in grey lead in music, because now I've got an F natural. So D, E, F. I'm then going to go to my 6th note, which is a B. We know this process from the first scale we've done. So if I look at my B, I need to flatten it by 1 step. Takes me to this note here, which is a B flat. So we'll pop a flat sign in there. The last note I've got to change is my 7th note. I need to flatten that. So it was a C sharp here, and I need to take it down 1 semitone. It's going to take me to C. So again, not C flat, I need to just erase that sharp sign. So now it's a C natural. And I've now got my D natural minor scale. If I do one more quickly with our F natural minor and my very messy keyboard that I'm drawing here, I'm going to flatten my third, sixth, and seventh. So let's have a look. My third note is an A, which is here. I flatten it. It's going to become an A flat. It can't be a G sharp because it needs to be some kind of A. If I look at the sixth note, it was a D, which is here. I need to flatten it one step down. It's going to be a D flat. My seventh note was an E. I need to flatten it again one step down, is an E flat. So you'll see this is now my F natural minor scale.